No Apple event is planned for Mac and iPad launches, while the sphere of top-notch consumer electronics was bracing for the groundbreaking releases of latest iterations. Falling into Apple's iPad and Mac series, a disconcerting leak has emerged, claiming that the iPhone maker is not planning to hold any Apple event. The Apple event has long been awaited by the Apple enthusiasts, as it was supposed to feature the tantalizing disclosures of some top-of-the-line iPad Pro, iPad Air, and MacBooks. The claim has been made by a Bloomberg correspondent, Mark Gurman, whose coverage revolves extensively around Apple products and developments surrounding them. Gurman said in his latest Power On newsletter that Apple will now launch these products on its website with a series of online videos and marketing campaigns instead of a full-fledged event. Recalling on his previous claims, he remarked in the letter that regardless of an Apple event, there's so much coming besides the well-spec'd iPads and Macs next month. The product lineups which Apple is looking forward to expand include iPad, MacBook, and Apple Pencil. And the following are the Apple products expected to release by next month. New iPad Pro models with OLED displays. New iPad Air lineup, including the first ever 12.9-inch iPad Air. New M3 MacBook Air. New Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. As to when to expect these products to announce, Bloomberg says that Apple is planning a special version of iOS 17.4 with support for the new hardware for the end of March. Gurman writes, "I'd expect the devices to arrive sometime in March or April."